Hello, 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 boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. In this edition of today's newspaper on Monday, yes, it's still Monday, August the 7th, 2023, and I've already solved two puzzles in this evening, the 0-star Sudoku and 4-star Sudoku. Well, the indication is wrong because this one should be at 2 stars and that one also at 2 stars. Yeah, although it has different amount of printed digits. Two puzzles are left. Yeah, the tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it cyberblock. In Japanese, suguru. Sometimes they call it also a jigsaw puzzle in English instead of tectonic. But you are interested not in that one, but in this one, the binary. Yes, the binary puzzle number 6883. No, 6883. Okay, 6883. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 17 printed digits. Well. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. Sometimes I have in my channel binary puzzles 10 by 10, and sometimes 12 by 12. Yeah, a large one. Okay, if you like Sudokus, if you like binaries, just subscribe and you will see the playlist of all the binaries, and you can find them all in the playlist. Alright, 8 by 8, that means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Yes, alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no, double one, here no, there no, double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O, between the ones comes an O. We have here 4 O's in this column, so the rest are ones. Now we have 4 ones in the last row, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes an 1, double one, here no, there no, double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes an 1, double one, here no, there no, double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes an 1. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So that box should be a 1. Alright. Yeah. Well, and now between 2 O's comes a 1, double one, here no, there no, double O, here one, there one, double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes a 1, 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And between 2 O's comes a 1, double one, here no, there no. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. Finish in 4 minutes. Well. Could be faster, but yeah. We solve it again, without comparing. And I like this one, yes I will do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, tectonic. With 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.